And Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa's political secretary as well as MLA Renuka Charya has reached the national capital to meet with the BJP top brass. Renuka Charya is believed to be upset over cabinet expansion. This is his second Delhi trip in a week. A section of Karnataka BJP MLAs upset with the recent cabinet expansion by Chief Minister Yediyurappa are also likely to be meeting today. The disgruntled MLAs will go on a possible trip to Delhi to meet with the BJP top brass and then to go ahead and officially lodge their grievances. This meeting of MLAs will happen in an undisclosed location in Bengaluru. A few MLAs are also expected to touch down in Bengaluru from their constituencies for this meeting. So a lot of political developments that are expected in the coming hours. But one thing is clear, that there is an all-out rebellion that's brewing against Yediyurappa, and several of the party's MLAs who are unhappy have decided to address their grievances with the top brass of the BJP, with the High Command. What really comes of these particular rebellions and this revolt remains to be seen. But Yediyurappa so far has chosen to dismiss it, saying that any issues that any legislators have must be addressed directly with the High Command. They should not be speaking out openly and in public against the party's decision. Will be interesting to see what really happens going forward, and if this will really mean some sort of dethroning of power for B.S. Yediyurappa. Will it translate to him being removed from the seat of Chief Minister by the BJP?
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.